Does SAF work with existing jet engines? The answer is yes. Once blended with conventional jet fuel, Neste's SAF is a drop-in fuel suitable for all aircraft engines. Switching is easy. There's no need for additional training or modification to engines, storage, delivery, or the fuel supply infrastructure. And the good news is, it's already here. Airlines around the world have been flying with Neste SAF since 2011, making it a proven, safe way to reduce emissions. We're ready to produce more than 515 million gallons, or 1.5 million tons of SAF in 2023. Neste SAF is a choice you can make. Learn more at neste.com/SAF. Made from 100% wastes and residues, reduces CO2 and non-CO2 emissions. Available now.